So now we're going to fast forward ahead through all these payments, assume they were made on time and correctly accounted for from the investor's perspective. And now we are way out here, December 31st of 2017, and we're going to record that final receipt of interest and the receipt of the initial investment that we made, which is the $100,000 face value that they've agreed to repay us at maturity, which is now December 31st of 2017. So if we go down here and we look at my amortization table, and a couple of things that I've also created here, this T account, so you can see with each payment a little bit of the investment goes away. So here's the debt investment. The asset we recorded when we bought the debt was recorded at its cost or the carrying value. And then every interest payment, you can see, transfers its way into this account. You can see this is the first interest payment up here, this $352.48 made its way into here, and then all the subsequent payments that we've said have happened are also entered into this debt investment account. So the balance of this account currently, prior to the last receipt of the interest payment, is $100,471.81. Now the last interest payment is going to reduce that account by the amount listed in the table. So what you'll see happens is, if I update this formula, is the ending balance, hold on, close that up. The ending balance is 12 cents off because of rounding, but it's going to match pretty much what we're going to receive from the debtor for the return of the investment. So I'll just overwrite this one. So now it's 12/31 of 2017. We're going to record first the receipt of the interest, which is the $6,500, and so the table here will help us. The $6,500, the amount of the interest is $6028.31, and then the difference goes to reducing the debt investment. Okay, so now that's not it though, because we're also going to receive the cash for the $100,000 they've agreed to pay us. So on December 31st, we are also going to receive cash of $100,000, and we're simply going to offset that with this debt investment account because it's no longer an investment once they return the $100,000. So that would then zero out this account, and we would be whole again. The debtor would owe us nothing else, and we would have correctly accounted for all of the transactions throughout this investment.